How to fix Spotify reload page on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Spotify reload page on Android phone. First, just open settings and then scroll down until you find apps and click apps again. And here all you need to do, just you need to find Spotify and then click on it and then click permissions and enable storage and then go to data usage and enable Wi-Fi and mobile data and background data if you want, and that's it. And then go to storage, clear cache. Now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just go back here to settings and then click clear data, and that's it. Now try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.